Question. After another Manchester City elimination from the Champions League, Pep Guardiola's 7th such elimination in his 8 seasons at City. Overall, his 10th time in the last 11 seasons, he gets booted out of the Champions League with some of the best teams to be assembled in Europe. So how people calling this man the undisputed GOAT of coaching football for his entire 16-year coaching career through Barcelona, Bayern Munich, and Man City, all big, rich, powerful clubs, providing him with star-studded, title-contending teams, and for the most part, favorite teams. Yet this tactical magician only has 3 titles in 16 seasons, including the 2 presented to him by Lionel Messi. Since leaving Messi and Barcelona, Pep is now gone 11 seasons with 1 Champions League title. Then how is this man an outer-class GOAT in coaching? Is what? Using his rich power teams to beat up some little small teams to win some league titles that make Pep Guardiola the untouchable GOAT? Untouchable is right. Yes, untouchable.